How to get stars on Telegram. Hello guys and welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can get stars on Telegram. So let's get started. First of all, open your Telegram application and then you'll be redirected to the web page. So here click on settings and then scroll down till you find my stars. So click on my stars. You can either gift the stars to your friends or you can buy stars. So you can click on buy more stars and your balance would be displayed over here. So now here you can see that there are different packages. So here 100 stars are for 660. Note that the currency would depend on the country where you're residing in right now. So you can just click on show more options to see more packages. So once you select a package and you really like it, so you can just click on the respective package and then they will redirect it to the payment method you have on your app store. You can verify that and you'll be able to buy the stars. So that is basically how you can get stars on Telegram. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.